join me while I make a new junk journal food diary for my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. And we're going to sew on these papers. So this is going to be a black and white theme. Alright, so I just put in this bobbin. Let's see if it will be enough to get the job done. So I've secured it in place with just a little bit of thread. So I think I will go down this long ways first. Are you following along there with me? Yes, I think everything looks pretty good. Let's angle the camera down just a wee bit. There you go. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I might run into the camera, so let's just make a little bit of an adjustment here. Scoot you guys over just a teeny weeny bit. There you go. Okay. Okay, now what I noticed happening here, because I only taped it in the middle with one piece of double-sided tape, I can lift it up, you see, and make adjustments as I need to. Okay, just close the tab. Okay. Don't need to make any more adjustments with this paper. Don't want it to buckle on me when I have to go and sew the bottom piece, and it seems like for some reason it's wanting to do that, which is really strange. Okay. I've never had to do that before. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come this way and go across this bottom since it's wanting to give me a hard time. If you noticed, I did a locking stitch. Okay, so here is the first side all stitched. You see the stitching there? Okay, so it's going to be very secure. Now we're going to do this second page. Let's see how I want to do it. Okay, I'll start here. around a little corner. Another locking stitch. Okay, so that didn't take long, now did it? Okay, and then we have this piece here, but I'm looking at that. Let's see, is that going to overlap or is that going to be okay? I think that will be okay. I may need to just trim that back a wee bit. But see, on this it looks pretty even. I just don't want it to buckle when you go to open it. Okay, I see what we need to do. Okay, so now we're going to sew down this and close up this back piece. Start with our locking stitch. Locking stitch at the end. Alrighty then. Now let me just move you a tiny weedy bit. So hold on, are you ready to travel? Whee! Here we go. Up and over and down. Ah, that wasn't too bad of a landing, was it? Okay, and tilt this up a little bit. Always cutting my head off. Don't want you to have that ceiling fan light. There you go. Okay. Now, you can see very clearly stitched. Okay. And then I will embellish the inside, and I will show you that process later. And now we're going to do the second one. Here we go with this one. Okay, front and back. So this will be the front cover. This will be the back cover. And then when you open it in the middle, you see, doesn't that look nice together, black and white? I thought that was pretty cool. So here we go. We're going to sew this, but it looks like I ran out of bobbin, so I will be back after I fill the bobbin.